After watching hundreds and thousands of YouTube videos on digital products, if you're still wondering where you can sell your digital products and you thought Etsy or Stan Store might be your answers, I want you to hold up. Why? Because I have personally made more than $165,000 in less than 18 months by selling digital products, and I have never listed my product on Etsy, and I have used Stan Store for a while, but now I have shifted back to the software about which we are going to talk about today. In this video, I am going to show you why I don't use Etsy and Stan Store, what is that platform that I actually use, and how I run everything from funnel to actual sales on one simple platform. Let's dive in. Let's first talk about Etsy. Now I know it is one of the go-to place everyone talks about. Why? Because it is beginner friendly and the interface is easy, and there are so many YouTube videos available in which people talk about how you can list your products on Etsy and start getting sales. But this is what they don't tell you. First of all, you have no control over your customer data, and your product is actually sitting next to 100 identical products, and sometimes it even gets copied. And the biggest one, you are building the business of Etsy and not yours. For me, Etsy personally felt like shouting in the crowd and hoping that someone notices my listing and buys my product, and I didn't want to come into this online world to be just another listing. I really wanted control, systems and sustainability, but Etsy didn't really offer that. So I personally find it exhausting and unpredictable, and to be honest, that is not the foundation that you really want to build when you start an online business. Let's talk about the interesting one, and that is Stan Store. I get it, you might have seen so many creators promoting Stan Store or so many influencers using it as well. It is clean, simple and well, kinda hyped too. But when I personally started using Stan Store, I realized a few things. Yes, it is very simple to use. You can actually set it up in like less than an hour, but it lacks one very important thing, and that is depth. There is no real funnel building inside Stan Store. Yes, I get it, you can actually link different pages, but if you want to run your business for a long term, what you need is proper funnels, and that is what is missing from Stan Store. For example, building proper funnels, offering order bumps or doing upsells, that is something that I felt is really missing, and Stan Store does not really offer that. So yes, we can say Stan Store is great for link sharing. So if you want to share links with your audience, yes, it works great. But if you're looking to build real and automated digital product business, I just didn't feel that Stan Store provides all of that. So where do I actually sell my digital products? I use the software which is called Systemy.io, and I genuinely recommend it to every beginner who wants to take their digital product business seriously without burning a hole in their wallet. And here is why I absolutely love it. First of all, there is no monthly cost to start with. You can actually start with $0, and there are so many features that Systemy.io offers even on the free plan. Then you can build your entire funnel inside Systemy.io, whether it is your squeeze page, opt-in page, checkout page, order page, sales page, thank you page, like all of that can be done inside. And email automation, yes, that is included as well. Upsells and order bumps, yes, that is included too, and that too on the free plan. And as someone who has built her entire business without any website or any paid ads, this is a software that gave everything that I needed all in one place. And the best part, inside my course, which is Passive Creators Hub, I literally walk you through every single thing that you need to know about setting up everything from scratch inside Systemy.io. Let me show you a quick sneak peek. As you can see, inside my course, there's a whole module named Systemy.io Complete Tutorial. That means I literally show you every single thing in detail. So whether it is about creating your account on Systemy.io, purchasing your domain, configuring DNS, setting up your sales funnel, setting up your digital store, setting up different pages inside your digital store or sales funnel, creating email automation, doing email marketing, setting everything up on automation, each and everything is covered inside this amazing module. And my students, they are in love with this module, and I actually mean it. Whether you are starting from scratch or you're already selling, this is the platform that has got you covered. Now that we have talked about why you should not go with Etsy or Stan Store and what what is a platform that you should use. Let me show you how I actually sell my digital products. That means let me take you to the back end of my business. Step 1 is going to be the freebie funnel. I start by giving away something really valuable for free. For example, my niche clarity workbook or my digital product starter kit. By the way, you can grab both of these in the description and you are really going to find it helpful. These kinds of freebies actually help me to find the right audience. That means the people who are actually looking for something that I sell. Once they grab my freebie, they enter my email funnel. That means they will start getting my emails that I've set up on automation, which will help me to build trust with them, provide value, and then also introduce my paid product. After a few emails, I direct them to my paid product, which can be a digital guide, ebook, workshop, or my course. Whenever I share the sales page of my paid product in my emails, I make sure that I add upsells or order bumps in those pages as well. Now it can be a prompt pack or a mini course, but that increases the value of the total sale. And the best part, I literally do all of these 4 steps inside Systemy.io. So in this way, whosoever is grabbing your freebie, if they get to know about your paid product, there are higher chances that they will opt for your paid product as well. So this is the entire way in which I sell my digital products on automation. Now, if you also want to start building your funnel in the same way as I did, let me help you out, because I am actually going to provide you my freebie funnel template absolutely for free. I'm going to link it in the description. Just make sure you check that out. It is just a copy paste in Systemy.io and perfect for beginners like you to get started with. Now let's summarize everything that we discussed today. First of all, forget Etsy or Stan Store and start using the software that helps you to run your business in the long run, and that is Systemy.io. Once you create your free account in Systemy.io, although my link is in the description, you can sign up with that. Once you sign up, just grab my freebie funnel template, copy and paste it inside Systemy.io and start offering freebie to your audience today. Then create your very first digital product. By the way, if you don't know how to create a digital product, please watch this video. This is going to be super helpful. And when you are ready with your product, start putting everything on automation inside Systemy.io. And whenever you need help, join my course, which is Passive Creators Hub, because I literally walk you through from zero until you start making money online with digital products. How amazing is that? So yes, that's it. That's everything you need to know if you want to start selling your digital products in 2025, well, in 2026 as well. I hope you find it helpful, and now I will see you in the next video.